Alright, I'm home, and we have our birdies. Emerald, where are you? And we have our birdies are home. We brought our new birds. And we got Sky here. It's going to join everybody. And then we also got our baby here. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Should we let him out? Should we let him out? I'm nervous. Should we let him out? How does he do around? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. You wanna hold? Hi. Hi. You step up? It's okay. Step up. Hi. Yeah. Look at who we have here. Emerald, look at.
Oh, look at his hair.
Look, he's so happy. Are you so excited? Are you excited?
Look at him, look at him.
Yeah. Look, it's so much bigger than you, baby. Are you excited? I miss you. Yeah. He's going to fit in just well. All right, you guys, let's go let out. Come on, move this cage, Mom. Hi, baby. You're my new baby. You're my babies. My little babies. Yes, you guys are my babies. Oh, listen to that scream. Yes. Yes. Okay, here, Mom, will you hold my camera? I gotta switch this around and let him out. I'm gonna go ahead and take his cage apart right now. We gotta clean it anyways and start all over. Emerald, come here. Stay over here. Right now. And I'm not going to have both birds on my shoulder just in case.
Isn't the door open?
Yeah, but this is easier. So he knows he can just come. Oh, I forgot he's not flighted. Oh, shoot, he's not flighted.
Oh, he went down.
There, get on the camera. Okay, he's in here, you guys. Oh, he's figured it out. Come on, he's figuring it out. He'll figure it out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look. Are you gonna figure it out? Let's see. We have a stick. Hi, baby. Step up. Let's see how they do. Get that. See how to step up on there. Yeah. Now bring him up here. Bring him up there. Over here.
Up there?
No, maybe bring him. Where are all the birdies? Oh, bring him up here. Over here. Right over here. Bring him right here, Mom. Behind you, where the birdie is, right there. There. Yeah. Let him crawl. Look. Look at. Be nice. Be nice.
Yeah.
Be nice. Be nice. Be nice, baby. Be Emerald, be nice. Did you see that? Everybody, I don't want them attacking each other. Hold the camera, Mom. Those two are doing really great. Those two are doing really. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, he doesn't have wings. That's right. My baby is not as clipped. He doesn't have wings, Emerald. Let's put them up here to play. Yep, there you go. She doesn't have wings. Okay, Emerald, be nice. Be nice. Let's see how this goes. Be nice. Emerald, you need to be nice to her. Nice, baby. Be nice, baby.
He might get
He's
jealous.
a good bird.
Emerald might get jealous.
He was a good bird, baby. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on this side, baby. Here. Mama loves you both. See? Mama loves you both. Mama loves you both. See? I love you both. Yeah. I love you both. I love you both. Emerald. No, not biting.
Oh, look at this one. This bird is so pretty.
Yeah. Oh,
Sky.
he went over on his
Beautiful.
own. Oh, baby. Yeah. Yeah. You're so
them two are
beautiful.
fighting.
Up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to set this up. Hey. I'm going to set this camera camera up. Oh, so we can.
Are these the two birds that can't fly?
Mom, can you take this camera out of my hand?
Are these the two
I
birds
want to
that
get this on
can't fly?
camera. Mom, let me get the camera. I want them to see what this reaction. Can you help me set up my camera? Okay. No, like help me set it up so we don't have to hold it. No, you're really not helpful right now. Okay, my mom's very inexperienced with birds, so she doesn't know much. Come here, baby. Come here. It's okay.
Emerald, come here.
Good. So these two are going to be a little bit different to
You be nice.
get them to like each other. I want to make sure that these two are going to be okay, along with this one is also if he's okay with my budgies. Right now, my budgies are getting along great. Huh? Are you guys happy? Are you so happy? While you hold Emerald, I'm going to show everybody my thing here. Dang. Look at my baby.
Good boy.
They like each
Good.
other. They like each other. Yeah. And that's Sky. The one's in the middle. And this is my other new one, which we got a biter here. Emerald wants to attack him.
Mm-hmm.
And Emerald is a baby, so he's trying to lay place here that this is his home, that this is his mom, but he needs to learn. It's time to share, Mommy. Mommy just had another baby. It's time to start growing up, Emerald, and start acting like a big bird. Or a grown-up bird like this one. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys.
This is funny. This bird's
Oh, wait. Let's see what's going on. Oh, let's see what the budgies are doing, you guys.
The one has its face looking at him like, what are you doing? Who are
And
you?
these two birds are rescue. Oh, there. These two birds are rescue birds. Emerald just won his spot on me. Good job. Oh, look. Now they're going to get a drink of water together. Let's see how this happens. I was going to tune out, but now I want you guys to see what goes on here. So, of course, my baby here does not have wings. So, of course, he's not going to want to stay down there. Hi, baby.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. All right, so let's also see if maybe, do you want to eat? Do you want to see if you like your cage? Let's see if he likes his cage. Come here. Come here, baby. Let's see if you like your cage. Let's see if you want some food. Let's see if he eats some food. Yummy! He found a seed. And he gets a treat for being such a good bird. So he's going to get a treat. See? See, Emerald? Good birds get treats. And then hopefully I'm going to go make him a veggie tray. Or maybe he'll share Emerald's veggie tray.
He likes that.
Yeah, he's got some seeds in there he probably never gets. He's eating the sunflower seeds. You don't want to give your birds always seeds. But he's going to, of course, have a few to have a treat. And we're going to start training him. And Emerald here is so jealous. Huh, baby? You're so mad at Mama? Are you happy? And then the three in the background. There's Sky, Skittles, and Bluebell. Now we have a third one in the mix. We just rescued these parrots. If I didn't say that once or twice already, I am a parrot rescuer, and I want to let everybody know that I have a rescue here for anybody who doesn't have anywhere for their birds to go. Please call me at 509-993-2139, and I will try my best if you comment below to give you any detail and information you need to know. Thank you for watching. Bye.